Outside the Old Bailey in London, just under 1 hour ago, Tommy Robinson was found guilty of the 3 counts of contempt of court that were put before him by the Attorney General. With Tommy now. Tommy, you said not 30 minutes before the judges issued their decision that you knew it was going to go down this way. Why was that?
Well, they couldn't allow me to get not guilty. if they allowed me to get not guilty, it basically tells the world that they kidnapped a journalist for 3 months, put him on solitary confinement when he broke no law. You've sat in court. This is printed off of the judiciary's website, their website. Yeah? It clearly states, courts have no power under Section 4.2 to prevent publication of material that's already in the public domain. It was agreed in court that everything I said was in the public domain. What they've said, what the government have said, is that that's wrong. Well, it's on your website. It's on the government's judiciary website under the Courts of Law's rules. So they've gone against the law. They found me in contempt because they've said that me asking someone walking into court how they feel about their sentence is contempt, and me taking a photo of someone. Now, you watched the video that was played in court of a BBC journalist doing an identical thing to me. And there's nothing wrong with her doing it. It's because of me. So I've been tried and convicted of who I am. I believe this is an attempt to not just silence me, but silence a movement. I generally think they'll put me in jail, and I generally think I'll be killed in prison. And I think that's what this is about.
One of the cases made by the lawyer for the Attorney General was that if we let you get away with what you did, everyone will be able to get away with it in the future. Do you think that will work the other way? If we let the government get away with doing what they did to you, they could do it to the BBC next week, to Press Association the week after, and the media doesn't seem to understand that.
They can do it. No, the media are celebrating this. The media are celebrating this. The media, they don't act as journalists, they act as activists. They act as political activists now. And I'd say this is more about, I think, stopping any normal citizen journalist, the rise of independent journalism. They don't want it, and this is to scare the hell out of people. You can't even ask someone, how you feeling about your verdict, or you're being contempt. It sets the precedent. I'm going to appeal it. More so I'm gutted because my kids break up from school next week for 6 weeks. And I got put in jail last year this time when my kids were on 6-week holidays, so I'm gutted.
The lawyer for the Attorney General in there kept saying, as though it was an indictment of you, that you spoke of the people's media. The government is terrified of that concept. Why is that?
Because they know the people are listening to us. They know the trust in media is gone. They spoke about rebuilding the trust in the judiciary system. Do you think this is going to rebuild the trust? People, what they should realise is that millions of people, any one of you can go watch the video of me outside Leeds Crown Court, yeah? They've said I was aggressive. I was not aggressive. The video's there, the evidence is there. They've said that I encouraged my supporters to harass the men. That's a lie, it's not there. It's just a lie, it's an outright lie. And I expected the lead judges of the Old Bailey and the Queen's Bench to be principled on law and judge on law, not judge on who I am, and it's okay for one person to do it but not the other. It's just proved, we know we have a corrupt media, everyone knows that. We've just proved we've got a corrupt judiciary system as well.
Tommy Robinson, thanks for your time. Get with your family. I know that's your plan, so I appreciate it.
Cheers, man.